Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the cinematic not loading for Fortnite high res. Okay, so go ahead, percentage, local app data, percentage, open that folder. You have to find Fortnite game, right click, rename, put a ton of numbers at the end of it. And you may have to do this every single time you get a new resolution. So if you ever do get a new resolution, like you want a new resolution, like I'm going to be doing 1350 by 1080 right now, so I don't have to do the controller thing. I will be showing you how to get the cinematic to load again once you're done. So go ahead, put it on the resolution you want. Go ahead and yes, minus, open Fortnite. Guys, if we can hit 200 likes on this one video, I will be showing you guys weekly hacks, and sometimes more than weekly, it'll be more. You know, hopefully we will get there someday where that happens, but yeah. So hopefully we'll get there someday. Hopefully you guys will hit 200 likes. Like we did on... Oh, I actually haven't hit 200 likes on one single video in a long time. Very long time. Decline. As you were going to see, I can press that. Go ahead. Creative. Accept. Play. Launch. Battle Pass here. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. Go ahead and adjust my settings. Play. There we go. As you can see, we will have stretched. Yeah, but that's gonna be it for today, guys. I'll probably see you guys today if you guys have any more problems. Okay, peace.